Are you tired of the same old turkey for the holidays? Why not try something new this year? This easy-to-make stuffed butternut squash is a delicious and hearty alternative that will impress your guests. To make this dish, simply slice butternut squash in half, roast it until tender, and then fill it with a delicious mixture of Italian sausage, mushrooms, red bell peppers, spinach, cranberries, and walnuts. It's a perfect way to enjoy a seasonal meal that will keep you warm and satisfied. To prepare the butternut squash, it's very simple. You'll need approximately 1.5 kilograms of butternut squash. Carefully cut it in half with a cleaver. Next, let's get those seeds out. By the way, you can use any squash such as acorn, buttercup, or honey squash, just to name a few. Now we are ready to roast them. Carefully place the squash halves on a baking tray with the cut sides facing down. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to an hour. On a hot pan or skillet, saute 1 cup of chopped yellow onion over medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes or until translucent. Next, take 500 grams of Italian sausage and carefully remove the outer casing. Then slice the sausage into small bite-sized pieces and cook through until it has a nice golden color. Let's add 175 grams of diced red bell pepper for that naturally sweet flavor that can balance out the savory ingredients in the filling. And just stir it for a minute. To make the filling a little festive, throw in 60 grams of frozen cranberries. They also offer a pleasant tanginess. Add 200 grams of sliced cremini mushrooms for that rich and earthy flavor. And then cook them until they are tender. Next, let's add some seasoning by adding 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Since the sausage is quite flavorful, you can skip adding extra salt and pepper. To boost the nutritional value and add a pop of color, include 80 grams of baby spinach. Stir the spinach until it's happy and wilted. Finally, turn off the heat and add 40 grams of walnut for that nice crunch. Give it the final stir and the filling is done. Once the squash is tender, carefully flip it over and scoop out the soft interior. You can use the extra squash flesh to enrich the filling later. Now, generously fill the squash with a delicious mixture. And don't forget to include the flesh on the filling. Finally, preheat the filling in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And there you have it, a mouth-watering and a festive stuffed butternut squash. This hearty and comforting dish is a perfect alternative to traditional holiday meals. So, why not give it a try this holiday season and create a memorable dining experience? And with that, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.